Welcome to the Hayman House, an award-winning residence perched on the pristine shores of Hayman Island, offering an unrestricted, iconic view of the stunning Whitsunday Islands in the Coral Sea. This architectural masterpiece was designed and project managed by the renowned Kerry Hill on what is widely regarded as one of the island's best sites, and constructed without compromise by Hutchison Builders. From the moment you step inside, you'll be captivated by the sheer beauty of the surroundings and the meticulous attention to detail in every aspect of the design. The open plan layout seamlessly integrates indoor and outdoor living spaces, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the breathtaking natural beauty that surrounds you. Hayman House offers full access to the world-class facilities at Intercontinental Hayman Island Resort, ensuring that every aspect of your holiday experience is nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're lounging by the pool, enjoying a gourmet meal at one of the resort's restaurants, or indulging in a relaxing spa treatment, you'll find everything you need to create unforgettable memories with your loved ones. But perhaps the most remarkable feature of Hayman House is its ability to provide a family holiday legacy in one of the world's most spectacular natural wonders. From the shimmering turquoise waters of the Coral Sea to the lush greenery of the surrounding islands, every moment spent at Hayman House is a testament to the sheer wonder of Hayman Island. With easy access from the mainland, Hayman House offers the perfect opportunity to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in the tranquility and beauty of this stunning island paradise. Whether you're seeking adventure and exploration or relaxation and rejuvenation, Hayman House offers something for everyone. Experience the magic of Hayman Island like never before with a stay at the Hayman House. Create memories that will last a lifetime and discover the true meaning of luxury living in one of the world's most breathtaking locations.